Have you ever tried building IKEA furniture without the instructions? That's exactly what most people's estate plan looks like without a trust or a will. IKEA hands you the parts and says, assemble it yourself. And a lot of people treat estate planning the exact same way: a name added to a deed, a bank account, or a beneficiary form, and they call it all done. No instructions, no backup plan if it doesn't work perfectly, nobody checking the work. Put a name on your bank account or a deed, and you've handed over control. Now that asset is exposed to their creditors, their divorce, and even taxes that you never planned for. Beneficiary forms are missed even just as often. They're left blank, outdated, or even written to leave money straight to a kid or a loved one with special needs, which can cost them thousands in government benefits. In second marriages, without a real plan, whoever survives gets to decide where everything goes, leaving your kids out of the mix. Furniture with a missing screw is annoying, but an estate plan with a missing piece can cost your family everything. Let's do this one with instructions. The link to get started is below.